Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video, I will talk about Shiba Inu price prediction and Shiba Inu news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Shiba Inu in 2022. Let me remind you a little about what Shiba Inu is. The Shiba Inu aspire to become an analog of Ethereum Dogecoin. Dogecoin is based on the SHIB algorithm. Shiba Inu with SHIB token are part of a whole flock of canine cryptocurrencies collected from Baby Dogecoin, Baby Doge, Dogecoin, Doge, Jindo Inu, Giant Alaska Inu, LOS, and the Alaskan Malamute token, LASM. These low-value tokens caught the attention of those who missed Dogecoin's jumps from $0.0002 to almost 75 cents. Once upon a time, there was a very special dog in the world. This dog was a Shiba Inu breed and inspired people all over the world to invest in tokens with an image. According to the Shiba Inu website, SHIB is a Dogecoin killer and will be listed on shibaswap's own decentralized exchange. Shiba Inu paper revealed 3 reasons why he created the SHIB team. We started from scratch. The brilliant minds of Shiba have never collaborated before. We love Shiba Inu dogs. Still accumulating the meme-inspired cryptocurrency at the time. Their accumulation was occurring after the team behind SHIB announced to tap Singapore-based blockchain solutions provider Unification, a company that has worked with firms like Google and Amazon, to work on Shibarium. Shibarium, it's worth noting, is a Layer 2 network built on top of the Ethereum blockchain, meant to support the Shiba Inu ecosystem. It's set to enable rapid low-cost transactions optimized for gaming. Unification is planning on launching a public testnet for the network very soon according to its announcement. In the most profitability. How profitable is Dogecoin? Dogecoin is the odd meme coin. Following the meme stock craze, Dogecoin had risen out of the ashes and posted one of the most tremendous rallies that the crypto space has ever seen. Backed on by the likes of Elon Musk, it had basically taken a life of its own, and from it had spawned what is now known as the meme coin space. Dogecoin, which had rallied from about 2 cents to more than $0.7, had left a couple of millionaires in its wake. However, mid-2021 saw Dogecoin begin to crash and crumble as support died down. Other coins crawled up to steal market share from the pioneer meme coin, and it has continued on a downward trend since then. Nevertheless, this has not meant that Doge holders have lost everything. Quite the opposite in fact. Despite Dogecoin now trading around 11 cents, a good portion of investors still remains in profit. Data from Into the Blocks shows that it remains an even balance between investors in profit and those in a loss. 49% of all Doge holders are still in profit, the same number for those in loss, while 2% remain in the neutral territory. Triangle pattern plunged the Shiba Inu, SHIB, price to the $0.000213 mark, registering a 40% loss. Furthermore, a steeper descending trendline carried the downfall, undermining a buyer's attempt to rally higher. On March 13th, the altcoin bounced back from the support trendline and poked the steeper resistance trendline on March 19th. This bullish breakout triggered a new bull cycle which would drive the altcoin to the overhead trendline $0.000275. Contrary to the bullish thesis, fallout from the support trendline will resume the downtrend rally and plummet the altcoin to a $0.00002 psychological level. Technical indicator: the 50 and 200 EMA moving near the $0.000022 resistance strengthens the seller's defense of this mark. However, the price action set up the new relief rally, could prevent the potential death crossover among these EMAs. The relative strength index slope rallying higher bolsters the possibility of bullish reversal from $0.00022 support. 75% of its value on the announcement, while automation platform KEP3R lost 25%. Lending platform Ironbank lost 50% of its value as well. Earn.finance, a blue-chip DeFi project in which Crunch was no longer involved in the day-to-day operations, also saw its token tumble shortly after Crunch's announcement was made. Phantom itself along with tokens from its ecosystem plunged as well, despite Crunch not being known for significantly being involved in their development. It's unclear whether the largest Ethereum whales have been trading $FTM in a bid to accumulate the token, or to dispose of their holdings in light of Crunch's announcement. Data from DeFi shows that Phantom's total value lock plunged from around $12 billion to Ethereum whale, popularly known as Tsunade, had bought $1,185,696 worth of Shiba Inu at the time of purchase. Tsunade is not the only Ethereum whale that has been increasing its Shiba Inu holdings in recent times. Other whales have been following this same path. The previous day, a whale had purchased more than 3.7 trillion SHIB tokens. The value for this had come out to over $89 million spent on the token, one of the largest single transactions ever recorded by the meme coin. SHIB profitability: Shiba Inu had made its own fair share of millionaires last year, when it emerged as the unlikely breakout star of the year. The cryptocurrency had surged so high, and so fast, that it had gathered a massive $6.7 billion over the last few weeks. While $FTM is currently the most traded token among Ethereum whales, data shows they are still holding on to their meme-inspired SHIB, with the cryptocurrency being their third largest holdings behind only Ethereum itself and FTX native cryptocurrency $FTT. As CryptoGlobe reported, the top 1,000 whales on ETH held over $2 billion of Shiba Inu late last month, and we're seeing wallets go on a buying spree in any cryptocurrency. They take a significant amount of the coins out of circulation, causing the value to rise by creating scarcity. That could be the case here. Combined with the accelerated rate at which the community continues to burn SHIB, then the decreasing supply could see its price grow fast. However, given that the entire crypto market is down, the recent accumulation trend may not have much impact on the price. And second news today about Dogecoin vs Shiba Inu, comparing the profitability of the top meme coins. The battle between meme coins Dogecoin and Shiba Inu is bordering on legendary at this point. Like with any great rivalry, both these digital assets have pushed each other to their very best. However, with the hype around meme coins dying, both of them eventually bowed out as their prices crashed. Both have returned massive gains for investors, but as the market heads into another downtrend, which one of these has maintained? In this video, we will raise the following question. Will Shiba Inu return to all-time highs? Shiba Inu continues to trade well below all-time highs. As of February 13, the altcoin price is at $0.000029. At the same time, on October 28 last year, the asset traded at peak values of $0.000086, a decrease of 66%. The price will not return to its historical maximum for a long time. This is the phrase of one of the analytics experts. After the price collapsed by 80% to $0.000017, Shiba Inu recovered by 105% to $0.000035. The coin is interesting for investment. As a target, I suggest choosing the level of $0.000053, 50% of the fall from $0.000086 to $0.000017. With a favorable outcome, the price will reach the calculated level by the end of March of this year. Power reserve is approximately 70% with the current price model. The price will not return to the historical maximum for a long time. To begin with, buyers should gain a foothold above the $0.000040 level. Then they need to hold this level for 5 to 7 days, so that the price does not fall sharply again. Plus, a positive background is needed for the entire crypto market, and a fall in the dollar. All markets are in a fever because of the expectations of the US Federal Reserve rate hike on March 16. Shiba Inu is an asset, the value of which depends entirely on the interest of investors. The more the coin is bought and used, the higher the rate. From this point of view, it makes sense to look at how the developers intend to develop the asset, attract new users, and expand the use of Shiba Inu as a means of payment. And in 2021 alone, the number of investors who purchased the coin increased by 30%, which is a lot. Even institutional investors invest in the asset, despite the fact that it is considered a meme token. Firstly, the shibaswap ecosystem, which includes a decentralized exchange and a marketplace, is currently developing quite actively. Secondly, Shiba Inu payments have become available on the largest online platforms, Amazon and eBay. Developers are seriously investing in expanding the ecosystem, which attracts users, while the scalability of using the asset as a means of payment is growing. There is every opportunity for Shiba Inu growth during this year at a minimum of 30 to 50%. We will also analyze with specific examples what to expect in the coming years from this cryptocurrency. We will start with a forecast for this year, and it sounds like this. It looks like by 2022, Shiba